I want it and I want it now. So, we're also somewhat easy to be beguiled or tricked. And that's all part of we are I know people who are really beautiful, nurturing people, and they just want to help.
Yeah.
And they will help the bad guys, with pretexting, or they get a
They
phone
will.
call. Hey, I'm new to the company. I just really don't know how to get to the help desk. Can you help me?
Mm.
And there have been 3 or 4 pen tests where my end goal was to get the help desk to give me their username and password. And on all 3 of those cases, you build a compelling argument, and people are more than willing to help and give you their username and password.